Sneha ma'am, let us begin the class, but you are not visible.
Yes, sir.
You are not visible.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I off my video so that because it's dark here. So yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
So sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times Om, followed by opening mantra. Oh. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cettasya padena vacha malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena योपाकरोत्तम प्रवरम मुनीनां पतंजलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। ओम। Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. Sneha ma'am, please on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Please on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Because nobody is here for conversation. Okay. So our subject is anatomy and physiology. The question is, who is the father of anatomy? You know?
Patanjali?
No. Patanjali is the compiler of yoga.
Okay.
Herophilus. Write down. Herophilus. H-E-R-O.
Okay. I'll take.
Okay.
Yes.
Herophilus. H-E-R-O-P-H-I-L-U-S. Herophilus. Herophilus. The time period of Herophilus is 325 BC to 255 BC.
Uh, 365.
325 BC. 325 BC to 255 BC. And he is from Alexandria. 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 Herophilus from Alexandria. Time period 325 BC to 255 BC is the father of anatomy. Are you in 200 batch or 300 batch?
200 batch.
Last month you also in 200 batch?
Yes.
Why again in 200 batch?
Because I didn't complete that course because the time gap. So only I attend only 2 classes per day. So
Okay.
yeah. So I didn't get a time to revise all the recorded sessions. So I
Okay.
didn't I didn't submitted anything.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Next question. What is anatomy? What is anatomy? Anatomy is the science. Anatomy is the science that studies the structure of the body, and body parts and relation between one body part to another body part, and relation between one body part to another body part. Anatomy have two branches. Anatomy have two branches. The first one is gross anatomy. GROSS. Gross anatomy. ANATOMY. Gross anatomy. It studies the macroscopic structures. MACROSCOPIC. It studies the macroscopic structures like body organs and organ system. Body organs and organ system. Second one is histology. 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 It studies the microscopic structure. It studies the microscopic structures like cells and tissues. Like cells and tissues. Gross anatomy studies macroscopic structures which we can see with naked eyes, and histology studies microscopic structures which we can see with naked eyes like cells and tissues not visible with naked eyes. Macroscopic required for seeing the cells and tissues. Anatomy comes from, write down. Anatomy comes from ancient Greek word anatomia. 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 It is the combination of two words. It is the combination of two words. Ana plus tomia. ANA. Ana and tomia. Ana means up, UP. Ana means up. Ana means up. And tomia means cutting. Area ma'am, are you in Bali Yoga School? Ira ma'am, are you in Bali Yoga
Yes.
School? How many students are
Yeah,
there?
yeah, Bali Yoga School, yes.
How
And
many students are there in Bali Yoga School?
For the 200, it's only us two.
Only 2.
Mhm.
So why so late?
We had the philosophy class, and it took 10 minutes longer,
Okay,
and then
but,
we had to
but
get the laptop.
come on time. Please come on time.
Yeah.
Okay. Sneha ma'am.
Yeah, my daughter was calling, so I need
Okay.
to.
Okay. No problem. So anatomy comes from Greek root word anatomia. That is the combination of 2 words, ana plus tomia. Ana means up and tomia means cutting. So study of anatomy, study of anatomy, study of anatomy involves in cutting up or dissecting of organisms, cutting up or dissecting organisms. ORGANISMS.
I'm so sorry. So can you repeat it, please? I'll read that.
Study of anatomy involves in cutting up or dissecting organisms. My voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bali Yoga School, Ira ma'am. Your network is big. There is your network problem.
I don't know what's the problem. We are in the Wi-Fi here, but
Yeah.
it's always
But
cutting
their
off
their
your.
their Wi-Fi is big. I complained 2-3 times last month also.
Okay, but is it possible that you send us the video and then maybe it's better for us to watch it from your video, because we can't
Yes.
even follow what you're saying.
Okay. You can watch video after this session. And if my voice is clear, you can attend the session. Or do one thing, please off your video. Please off your video and just listen my voice. Okay. Sneha ma'am, write down. There are 3 broad areas of anatomy. There are 3 broad areas of anatomy. The first one is human anatomy. First one is human anatomy. Second, animal anatomy. Second, animal anatomy. Also known as zootomy. 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 Animal anatomy known as zootomy. And the third one is phytotomy. 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 That is plant anatomy. Plant anatomy known as phytotomy. Anatomy is the branch of biology and medicine. Anatomy is the branch of biology and medicine. Next question is, what is yoga anatomy? What is yoga anatomy? In order to understand with anatomical perspective, in order to understand with anatomical perspective, we need to know the structure and planes of the body. We need to know the structures and planes of body. And its different moving parts. Which create actions such as flexion, FLEXION, such as flexion, extension, EXTENSION, flexion, extension, and internal and external rotation. Next question, why anatomy important in yoga? Why anatomy important in yoga? A study of yoga anatomy covers The anatomy of body's muscles covers the anatomy of body's muscles joints, tissues, body's muscles, joints, tissues, cells, and much more. Yes, Sneha ma'am, any question?
No, clear, sir.
Okay. It is important for all yoga instructors. It is important for all yoga instructors to understand what is occurring within the body to increase the blood flow to each muscle, to increase the blood flow to each muscle, and how this will affect the body, and how this will affect the body. Next question. What is benefits of yoga anatomy? What is benefits of yoga anatomy? The basic understanding of anatomy, the basic understanding of anatomy helps in healthy practice, helps in healthy practice, and understand, yes, any question?
Can you say the sentence full for once so
Yeah.
I can, because it's really
Basic-
hard.
Basic understanding of anatomy, basic understanding of anatomy helps in healthy practice, helps, HELPS, helps in healthy practice, and understand what's going on in the body, what's going on in the body when we break down each yoga poses. When we break down each yoga poses. By learning the basic anatomy of bones, by learning the basic anatomy of bones, ligaments, and muscles, by learning the basic anatomy of bones, ligaments, and muscles, we are able to analyze NALYZE, analyze why a student can or cannot do a certain yoga posture. Clear? Next question is, what is physiology? What is physiology? Physiology is the science physiology, Physiology. Physiology is the science that studies the function of body, and its parts. Physiology comes from ancient Greek word. Physiology comes from ancient Greek word physiologic, PHUSIOLOGIC, physiologic, PHUSIOLOGIC, physiologic. A French physician Jean Farnell, Jean Farnell, FERNEL, Farnell. His time period is 1497 to 1558. 1497 to 1558. A French physician, Jean Farnell, first introduced the term physiology. From ancient Greek word physiologic, PHUSIOLOGIC, physiologic. That means natural philosophy. Physiologic means natural philosophy. Now question is, what is human physiology? What is human physiology? PHYSIOLOGY. What is human physiology? Human physiology is the science. Human physiology is the science that studies the human body functions. That studies the human body functions in health and disease. That studies human body function in health and disease. DISEASE. Next question, what is pathology? What is pathology? PATHOLOGY. Pathology. Pathology is the study of causes and effects of causes, CAUSES, causes and effects, EFFECTS, of disease or injury. It is the study of causes and effects of disease and injury. And now write down some anatomical terms. The first one is hyper, HYPER, hyper. Anatomical term, hyper. Hyper means excess or above, excess or above. Example, hypertension. Next term is hypo, HYPO, hypo. Means under or below, under or below. Next term, itis, ITIS, itis. Itis relates with inflammation, inflammation, INFLAMATION, inflammation. Next term, tachy, TACHY, tachy. Tachy
Sir,
means
can you spell it again?
tachy, 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 tachy. Okay. Means excessively fast, excessively fast. EXESSIVELY, excessively fast. Example, tachycardia. Tachycardia means fast increase in heart rate. Next term is Brady, BRADY. Brady. Brady means slow. SLOW, slow. Example, bradycardia. BRADY, Brady. Brady means slow. Next term, medial. MEDIAL, medial. Medial, that is structure near the midline. Structure near the midline. What is the midline of human body? The spine. Spine is the midline.
Yeah, our spine.
Yeah. So structures near the spine known as medial structure. Next term is lateral. 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 The structures away from midline. The structures away from midline, like our limb joints. Limb joints. Yeah. Next term is proximal. 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 Attachment near the limb or primary attachment of limb. Next term is distal. 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 That is attachment distance from the limb. Attachment distance from the limb. Next one is anterior. Next term, anterior or ventral. ANTERIOR. ANTERIOR. Anterior or ventral. 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 Anterior or ventral. That is front portion of a structure. Front portion. Front portion of a structure known as anterior. The next term is posterior. Posterior or dorsal. POSTERIOR. Posterior or dorsal. DORSAL. Posterior or dorsal. That is back portion. Back portion of any structure. Next term is superior. 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 That is part near the head. Part near the head. And the next term is inferior, inferior, inferior. That is parts near the toe, parts near the toe. Clear? So this was all about anatomy and physiology relation with human body and effect in human effect and relations between human body and what is the benefits in yoga, and these all are anatomical terms are there. Any question from today's lecture?
No, sir.
Okay. So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Spine straight, adopt chin mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply for 1 time Om, followed by closing mantra. Om. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः.
सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः.
सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु.
सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु.
मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्.
मा कश्चित् आगवते.
ॐ.
ॐ.
Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes. Slowly and gently open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you. We will meet again tomorrow.
Thank you. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.